Hey guys, so do you like my unmatching superhero socks? So today's video is actually my beauty room tour. This has been under renovation for quite a few months now. If you haven't seen like my beauty room, like the first part of it, I'll link it at the end of this video or in the description box. But I'll put a picture up on the screen of what the room used to look like. So this used to be like a spare bedroom and it needed some massive renovation, and I'm finally done. So before we actually start, this room is super minimal and I actually want some of your guys' advice. Like, let me know down in the comments how you think I should decorate this. I don't know, if you just have some advice, I would love to hear it. So yeah guys, so I'm so excited to show you this room. I hope you enjoy my socks. And yeah, let me show you where I'm filming. Okay guys, I'm so sorry if you can hear that. That's my washing machine. My beauty room is right outside of our laundry room, so. But this is my space. You open the door, let me zoom you out a bit. But yeah, so this is my super minimal space that I film in. So let me turn you around. So this is the door to my, to go out. And this is a closet in here. I'm not even gonna show you what's in there because it's really gross, but I just have storage in there. And then this is a new makeup organizer that I just got and I absolutely love it. Over here, this is just kind of some random stuff that I still have to put away. So this is like Christmas stuff that I have to put away. I love this bag so much. It's totally random and I need to put it away. But it's Shark Week and it says nice to eat you. Isn't that hilarious? Just some random stuff, a dead plant that I also need to get rid of. And then I've talked about these a couple times. My friend Katie got me that sparkly J, the eyelash picture, which I love, and then I actually made this flower arrangement. But, so part of the reason that I need like your input is, I guess once we're done with the whole tour, I'll show you what I want to do. But just to kind of give you an update, like I don't know if I should hang those or like I love that little corner back there. Like I just kind of don't know what to do. So right here, this is actually the backdrop that you guys see in a lot of my makeup videos. I'm sorry I'm filming this at night. I just did not have a choice. But yeah, this is the backdrop to all of the videos that you see. And I need to redecorate this for the springtime. I still have like my winter stuff out. But I do need to redecorate this for like Easter and the springtime. By the way, this candle from Bath & Body Works is my favorite candle ever. Sunlit Cedar, oh my God. My two cactuses that I love forever. I brought these cactuses back to life. I love them. And that's kind of it. That's all I have, guys. And I have a chair, obviously a trash can that I need to move. And then this is also some random stuff. So this is my empties bin. This is where I keep all of like my empty beauty products, and I'm getting ready to film another video. This is almost full. And then these two boxes are truly just junk that I need to go through and like figure out what I'm gonna do. And this is the coup de grace. This is where I keep all of my makeup. I will show you very quickly. If you guys want like a more in-depth view of like my makeup, you let me know. But everything is from the Dollar Tree, by the way, except that acrylic organizer. Everything else is from the Dollar Tree. But yeah, this is where I keep all my makeup. So this is where, like, this is my table and this is where I do all of my filming. I usually face over there, or I put my chair over there and face this way, but I kind of like to mix it up on the days that I'm not filming. So this is what my room looks like when I'm not filming. And then once I wrap up this portion, I'll bring in all my lights and show you what it looks like when I am filming. So I keep my table very minimal. I do not like a lot of stuff on my table at all. I do have a mirror, but it's upstairs, but I definitely do have a mirror. Those are all of my makeup brushes. I have more makeup brushes upstairs. Just lotion, hairspray, a towel in case I need it. And then this little box, I just keep like some random like hair stuff and jewelry and stuff like that. But yeah, usually I take my chair and spin it around and you guys see my window as my backdrop. So honestly, I know that this is kind of underwhelming, but I wanted to show you this space because if you watched my last video, I know which is a couple months old now, you know like what a transformation this room was. So we did all new like baseboards and stuff like that. We did wall-to-wall carpeting. Obviously we painted the entire room. So I know this may seem underwhelming to, I guess, people that are new to my channel or just, I don't know. I know this doesn't sound like look great, but just how it was before, this is such a huge transformation to me. And I'm definitely not done. I really just want your help decorating. So here's my thing. Should I put 2 pieces of large artwork like on either side of the window, like 2 like square artwork, I'm thinking, or should I do shelving? I'm feeling like I want to do the artwork because I feel like shelving will just get too cluttered. And then I also need to get a window treatment for the top of the window. I don't want to cover it completely because this is like a basement bedroom. So, and I wish I could film this during the day. This room does get a ton of sun. So there's that I need your help with. Again, just kind of like how I should decorate these walls. This wall right here, like the back wall, and I'm sorry, I still need to put my vent cover on. I'm sorry. This wall definitely intimidates me because I don't know why won't my camera focus? I don't know what I should do with it. It's just like such a blank canvas that I'm a little bit intimidated by that. So yeah, but this is my beauty room right now. Like I said, I'm definitely not done, but I just wanted to show you this because it is such kind of a difference from where I was filming. And then I also want to put a mirror, like a full length mirror on that closet door. So like I said, guys, I really want your decorating advice. I want your help, your advice, because not that I'm clueless, but I need some help. So let me bring in my lights and stuff like that and kind of like turn everything around and show you what the room looks like when I'm filming. Okay guys, so this is what the space looks like when I am filming. I will link every single thing if I can find it in the description box, my tripod, my lights, everything. So let me just, this is what you guys see most of the time when I am filming. So I'm taking my camera off my tripod, but this is my tripod. I absolutely love it. It's really wonderful. It has like an adjustable head on it so you can tilt up and down. I love it, I love it, I love it. I also found my mirror, so I'm gonna bring you around. And I brought my other brushes from upstairs. So this is what I see. Just have my 2 lights. So there you go. That's it, guys. I wish I like had more to like show you, but that is the space. I would say this is what the room looks like. Like obviously I don't keep the lights plugged in or anything like that. But recently the lights were down because I was oh my God, I can't speak. I was renovating the room and I also haven't been filming in here. So that's why everything was kind of taken out. But now that the lights are plugged in, you guys can see that I just have 2 softbox lights. And then I want to tell you about like the TV that I have over there. So I plug my camera into the TV. I will show you with an HDMI cord that hooks up to the back of the television. This is nothing fancy. This is truly like just a tiny little crappy television that I got at like Target. I think it's like a 13-inch. It's nothing special. Like it's not a smart TV. It's nothing like that. But I just plug it into my camera and then whatever the camera is recording is projected on the screen. So that way I can see what I'm doing rather than just relying on the camera. And then I also have a mug warmer because I always need coffee while I'm filming. But yeah, so that's where the TV sits, on that little table. And I just have put what was on that little table on the floor. I really need to take care of that. But yeah, that's my filming setup. Everything was super cheap, guys. Like when I started my channel, like, and I still am, like, we're so poor, you know, like I could not afford to spend a ton of money on lights. So these lights were just like, they're very reasonably priced. And I actually have 2 more. I came with two soft boxes and 2 umbrellas. I don't use the umbrella lights, but I will, like, it came as a package. So I'll link everything in the description box. Everything's from Amazon. So yeah, that's the room. But yeah, I hope you guys like it. And again, I know that this isn't like this overwhelmingly amazing like transformation, but if you watched the beginning, like if you watched part 1 of this, like, you know, it kind of is like an overwhelming transformation. This room looks so different. So yeah, the reason I chose, this color, this paint color is called Iceberg by Sherwin-Williams. And the reason I picked this is just because it's a neutral color, and I don't know, if I start filming in a different area of the house, or I don't do YouTube anymore or something like that, I wanted this like space to be somewhere like my husband could come and maybe set up his home office in here. I didn't want it to be like this overly feminine room, you know? And then I did do a very light colored carpet just because this is a basement bedroom or a basement room, and I didn't want anything dark in here at all. I know a lot of people are afraid of like light carpeting, but nobody comes in here. It's just me. Like Evelyn doesn't come in here. The cat doesn't come in here. It is just me and my crazy superhero socks. So yeah, guys, so that's the video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, I know that's not that crazy, but by all means, please leave me your decorating tips and tricks down in my comments. I would love to hear from you. So yeah, so if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up so I know that you like it, and please consider subscribing if you have not already. I would love to have you part of my little YouTube family. I love you from the bottom of my heart forever and ever and ever. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.